Never lose your page again while reading. In this video, we will show you how to make your own bookmarks with Label Maker F35. Print your design using Oki Pro 9542 that delivers high-quality CMYK plus high-density white under single-pass printing. After printing, cut and finish it with Label Maker F35. Place the printed sheets on the feeding tray. Label Maker F35 is an automatic sheet feeding and cutting system designed to automatically load and cut without the need of an operator. With a newly designed ramp-style loading tray and a wheel system, sheets can automatically be loaded into the plotter interruption-free, cut, then dispensed into the catch tray. And in no time, you can now use your personalized bookmarks. Perfect for every type of reader and with print designs to inspire adults and children. Make yours extra special and personalize it with any name, date, message, or code. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit our website at www.labelgraph.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.